Hey guys, welcome back to the kitchen. If you're new here, welcome. And to my subscribers, welcome back. Today I'll be making a spicy Italian stuffing that's going to be a perfect addition to your Thanksgiving spread this year. So if you like these types of videos, just keep watching. I've preheated my oven to 350 degrees. I'll go ahead and slice my Italian loaf in bite-sized pieces, then place it in the oven for 10 minutes. This part of the process can be done the day before. While the bread is being toasted, I'll mince my onion and my celery sticks and prepare them for sauteing. My pan is on a medium-low heat. I'll add my olive oil, followed by my sausage. I'll cook the sausage for 10 minutes, making sure I turn them regularly to ensure even cooking. The sausage is all done. Now I'll cook the celery and the onions for 5 minutes or until they're translucent. I almost forgot the garlic. Now that the onions and celery are all done, I'll combine eggs, heavy cream, turkey stock, and Italian seasoning, mix well, and add this to my bread mixture. The heavy cream mixture aids as a binding agent, and it gives the stuffing a rich taste that you won't find in a pre-made stuffing mix. I'll now combine all the ingredients together and mix well.
all the ingredients are well combined, I'll now add it to my baking dish, cover with foil, and place in my 425-degree preheated oven for 20 minutes. During the last 5 minutes of baking, I'll remove the foil just to get the edges a bit crispy. And there you have it, nice and golden brown. Garnish with a bit of flat leaf parsley and your stuffing is good to go. I sure hope you give this a try and add this to the Thanksgiving table this year. The full details for this recipe will be found in the description box below. And as always, thanks for the support. Continue to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell so you get notified every time I post. Bye!